What's up, guys? It's your boy Rocks T. And we're back at it again with another epic unboxing. And this just came in the mail. I'm so excited. Let's open it. I'm so excited. This is what I've always wanted. So I'm gonna open it. Some of you guys may know what it is. I don't know. If you follow me, you know. I made a song about what's in this box. So let's make you guys guess. It's something in this box. It's something cool. It's something cool. It's the best book about the best person, in the world, Barbra Bush. This is the Bible. I got the Bible in the mail. This is my favorite book. I've never read it. I looked at it. I'm gonna read this. This may be thick. Whoa, guys, wait. Look real quick. Look real quick. It has pictures. Has pictures. What kind of book has pictures? The best books. Pictures. See, we got Barbra Bush. So sad she died, but luckily she wrote this book before she died. And I'm happy. Some of you guys may know my song Rip Barbra Bush is highly inspired because of this book. I got the free trial online on Google Books. Finally got the book. I'm so happy. Look, pictures. Has even more pictures. I'm gonna read this book all the way to the end. This book may have over 600 pages, about 550 pages. I'm about to read this book, and I got the signed copy. That's right. First page, nothing. Second page. Look at that. Look at that. You guys can't really see it, but look at that. It says signed. By who? Autobiography. That's my signature. That's some Amazon employees. You know, put it right there. That's my signature right there. I signed this book. It came in the mail for me. I signed it. This is my favorite book. Oh. Ooh, my favorite person. I sleep with this book every night now. This is going straight into my bedroom. Now the pages may not open. No, I'm reading this book. I'm reading this book every day. There's no one in my bedroom to read it. It's my favorite book. I've only read a little bit of it. It's got my signed signature. Now, this is the best book ever. Barbra Bush. A memoir. Barbra Bush. But this book does not tell her stories with me in there. You know, it's okay, Barbra. It's okay. Can I get a big F in the chat, big rip in the chat for Barbra Bush? Her legacy lives on with this great. I'm sorry. It lives on with this great book. See you.